How to enter coordinates on Google Map. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through steps on how you can enter coordinates in Google Map. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. To enter coordinates into your Google Maps, what you can do is simply first open up Google Maps. Now on Android or iOS, the process is pretty similar. So first go ahead and open up Google Maps. Now to enter the coordinates, you can simply use the search bar. Simply tap on search here and you can enter in the coordinates here in one of the supported formats, that is decimal degrees DD, degrees minutes and seconds DMS, or degrees and decimal minutes DMM. Decimal degrees are the most common formats, such as 41.40338, 2.17403 and such. For example, now I'll show you. And so you can see here coordinates. I'll just copy these coordinates real quick here and copy it. And once I have it, all you gotta do is head over to your Google Maps and paste it and search for it, and you'll get a notification right away. So you can see this is how you can easily enter in a coordinate on Google Maps. You'll have to do it on your search bar. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.